Hi folks, Chef Kazi here, and today I went to work. My restaurant is closed today. Every Monday we keep the place closed. So I just went for inventory. I came home and I found bag of pasta. Let me show you. This bag. To make the pasta salad. So this one is the perfect pasta for this is the shell pasta. I'm boiling the water already with 2 eggs, and let's go from there. So I have here 3 tuna, is 170 gram each, and this pasta is 900 grams. Okay. It's boiled already. Some salt, oil, oh. So this pasta is cooked. I'm going to put in the water. So folks, I got here dill wheat, chives and cilantro. You know what is this, folks? It's the green cabbage. That's it. My knife job is done now. I got some green chili though. Shall I pour it? Now. So look what happening here. You see this pasta, for example, but some water inside. So dry that water. Doesn't matter how much you put in the strainer, and it's impossible to dry one by one upside down, you know. I think, oh look, lots of this soak, this one. I had some white pepper instead black pepper, but I don't find it today. So let's use this. So folks, this is the one of the best pasta, okay? Shelf life will be at least, I should say, more than a week, right? I don't add any onions. I skip the onions. So this hot sauce is one of the hottest pepper from Guyana, and my wife made this sauce by herself. This hell of a sauce, man. I'm gonna use some here. Not too much. That's it. This is the limit. Tomorrow I'm invited in my brotherhood group who come from outside. So I'm going to take some of this from here just for a sample. Look folks, recently I'm doing very short videos, okay? Yesterday I uploaded one video about my hot soup kitchen. Today will be this one, and I have two more videos I have to edit it. So let me try. Shall I? Bismillah. This is one of a kind, buddy. One of a kind. Little kick also. That's it, folks. This shell pasta salad, and you see what I did. I'm gonna put the recipe also, all ingredients. So please, I need your support. Subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe yet. My friend, without you, I'm nobody. So this old man need your support. Okay? Hit the like button, press the bell button, and share the video if you like. So until then, I see you next video.